Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to MarineMax Lake Lanier. My name is John Stovall, and aboard today the Mirage by Sylvan 822. So this is a 22-foot boat. Now this is an 8-foot wide boat. Now why 8-foot wide versus 8.6 like some other brands out there? Well, we still make 8.6-foot boats. However, a lot of the older docks and smaller lakes in the area, 8-foot makes a lot more sense because you have a lot more room in your dock to actually space the boat out, dock it safely, but also a lot of narrow corridors in some of these smaller lakes and rivers, etc. So 8-foot does make a lot of sense. You don't really notice it inside the boat, so I highly encourage you to come look at it versus an 8'6" boat. But nonetheless, here we are. So on the front, you still have normal benches. Everything is still the same. These are nice high back seats. The storage boxes are completely encapsulated, so if you wash your deck off, whatever you put in there is not going to get wet because the water can't get into it. Moving back, we have twin helm chairs. These are super nice, super comfortable chairs with big armrest. And as Andrew pans around here, we have a nice helm with a Humminbird Helix 5-inch display, Bluetooth stereo by Wet Sounds, digital tachometer with hour meter, and all your switches and gear. This is a Yamaha powered boat. This has got a Yamaha 150 on it. Runs great. It's a very nice performing boat and is perfect setup for pulling a tube or a wakeboard or something like that. Full bimini, twin chase lounges back here, similar mirror image to what's on the front of the boat, table in the center, and then ski tow bar, again, with an awesome Yamaha 150. I appreciate you taking the time to check us out today. If you have any more information or need any more information, please call us or visit us on the web at www.marinemax.com. Hope to see you there.